How to allow camera access on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps and then navigate to Snapchat. Once you're here from the privacy section, click on permissions and scroll down to the not allowed section where you will be able to find the camera. So click on it and you will be redirected to this page right here, from which you will be able to allow the camera access for the Snapchat app by selecting the first or second option, wherever suits you the best. And once you do that, you can see that the camera feature has been moved to the allowed permissions section, which is what you want. So that is it for this video. That's how you can enable the camera access for the Snapchat app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.